I am very happy to share that we have Mr. Sachin Potni, senior IT professional from Bangalore. He has last month successfully completed his CAP certification in regular pathway. All first four exam average 70% and fifth exam with A grade 83%. Congratulations, Sachin ji.
Thank you, Keyur sir. It's all thanks to your training, guidance that I could get all these success. But yeah, really happy. So my name is Sachin. I live in Bangalore. I am a senior IT professional. Now before getting into IT, I did my engineering. Did my engineering from Pune University, and then got into IT. Spent almost more than 20 years now in IT. Also got a chance to do my PG from IIM Bangalore. So I finished that as well. And while, of course, I've been an IT professional all through my life, I have also been right. So the first mistake I would say, sir, was investing in NFOs.
Okay.
Right, new fund offerings or new stock offerings. Whenever it
Hmm.
comes, I used to diligently follow, read the reports, and then invest.
Hmm.
And now I realize it was not really worth all the time and effort.
Hmm.
Most of them gave very average returns
Hmm.
in first place, and many times they get so oversubscribed that you get right. By conservative, I mean my asset allocation.
Okay.
I did invest in stocks and I did invest in mutual funds, but those were relatively smaller amounts as compared to what I could have done. And if I would have known that when your young age is on your side, you can take much higher risk. If I had those concepts much more clear, I think I would have taken probably more calculated risk. Right, being a typical middle class, higher middle class, somehow I have not been very comfortable with loans, and I never took any other big loans. So I never took credit card loan, no car loan, nothing. But
Okay.
for house buying a house, I did have a substantial loan. And I think I was unnecessarily too worried and too focused on just finishing that off without really thinking about the overall building of financial assets or building of an emergency fund and all those sir. The second reason was, of course, to have better insights and expertise in managing my own finance. Like
Hmm.
typically in IT, in your 40s is when you hit your peak,
Hmm.
both in terms of your professional growth as well as your income growth.
Hmm.
And I wanted to be sure I'm just not relying on, the advice which I read in financial magazines, but actually get into more details and do something and gain expertise for the kind of job profile I am in right now. Time is the most critical thing for me today.
Hmm.
I really didn't want to waste my 1 or 2 years trying a self study option or just go to any uh, service provider or program provider and just buy their material and just try to do, because then I would have wasted another year or two
Hmm.
in doing that if it doesn't work.
Hmm.
And of course, this time I thought I will, since I had this in mind that I'll also use this as a second career at some point of time.
Hmm.
I really wanted a professional education and a solid foundation on which I can build that on and not just go with some self-study option. That was the most important. Lack of time and desire to build a strong foundation, because at some point I may want to do it.
Yes.